Hello, good evening. This is your Auntie Marga vlog from Japan. I just want to greet my friend, the daughter of my friend from Indonesia, baby Sally, 17th birthday. Happy birthday and more birthday to come and good health for you. And thank you so much to your mother, my friend, Tenda Hiburan from Indonesia. Thank you so much. Sayang. And enjoy your birthday. This is Auntie Marga vlog.
Hello, baby Sally. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come. I wish you more success to your studies. Looking forward to reach your goal and your ambition in life. Stay beautiful and humble. Thank you very much for all your support to my YouTube channel. Stay sweet, be happy always, and enjoy your day. Happy birthday, baby Sally. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, I just want to greet one of our dear friend in YouTube, for celebrating her 17th birthday. I wish her good health, your smile and happiness.
Hello everyone, Miguel shout out. I'm here to greet happy birthday to baby Silly. Baby Silly, happy birthday and God bless. Enjoy your day and more birthdays to come. Thank you so much for being my friend in Whitey World, and thank you for support to my channel also. Baby Silly, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless. God bless to your family. Enjoy your day. And thank you so much for being my friend. Thank you. Bye. Happy birthday.
Hi guys, I'm Maricel Vlog. I wanna say something short basis to the birthday girl to friend Silly. Wish you many happy return of the day. May God bless you health, wealth, and prosperity in your life. Happy birthday, baby Silly. Bye. Thank you.
Hello, Pagi. I miss you, Morky. Hello, my tenda, Miss Sally. Hello, happy birthday. I
I'm here to greet you. This is Koki Hero from Japan. This is your second birthday that I greet you. Yeah, thank you. Terima kasih to all Indonesian friends.
Hello, greetings everyone. In front of me is Lisa Listeners TV. It's my pleasure to do this kind of video for today. Because this is the special day of the daughter of Tendo Wedding in Warren. And hello, Baby Sally. Hello there. I hope you're happy. You are happy in celebrating your most special day, and we are thankful because God has given you another year to celebrate with your family. Stay happy, stay pretty, and stay being a blessing to your family. And happy birthday, happy birthday, baby Sally. And greetings from Taiwan to Indonesia. Terima kasih everyone, terima kasih and sayang. And Tenda, thank you so much for choosing me as one of your friends that will do this kind of birthday greetings. Bye everyone, this is Lisa SMX, and once again, happy birthday, baby Sally. Bye.
Happy birthday to
Hello,
you.
hello.
Birthday to
Sarah.
you. Happy
And I would like to take this opportunity to greet baby Sally, her 17th birthday. And happy 17th, happy 17th birthday to you, baby Sally. And you have more birthdays to celebrate, and more
birthday to
cakes to cut, more candles to blow.
happy birthday to
Be a good girl always, and take care yourself, and love your parents as how they love you. And thank you so much for giving me a chance to greet you a happy birthday. Once again, I'm Sally. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. Alright, that's it. Thank you. This is Angel Swiss Bag saying happy birthday once again. Bye.
Hi, I'm Purple Official from Philippines. I'd like to meet one of my friend, White Ward. Baby Sally, happy birthday, baby Sally. Sayang, terima kasih. I am glad I was one of your friend to give you create video greetings, my baby Sally. Sayang, I wish you all the best, and I wish your birthdays good health, and more birthdays to come, baby Sally. Baby Sally, terima kasih for always support my premiere. Of course, your dad, Tenda Wedding. Terima kasih for always support my channel, baby Sally and Tenda Wedding. Thank you so much. I'm happy because you invite me to give you birthday greetings. Thank you so much, and enjoy your birthday, baby Sally. Enjoy. Happy birthday once again. Bye-bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby Sally. Mwah.
Hi, baby Shelly. This is Carms Abundance Kitchen, or also known as Ellen's US. This is my second account from Team Magol, from Team Kalami. I'm wishing you a happy birthday, and hope you have more birthdays to come, and have fun on your birthday. And thank you so much for supporting my channel. And enjoy your day. Bye-bye. Happy birthday again.
Hello, this is Nani Sanchez Vlog from Philippines, one of Tenda Wedding's friend here in YT. Just want to greet baby Sally, happy birthday, his daughter. Okay, I think she is celebrating her birthday today. And baby Sally, happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come, more years to celebrate, and God bless. Enjoy your day because it's your birthday, and good luck. Happy birthday again, baby Sally. This is Ate Nani from Philippines. Thank you so much, baby. God bless you and happy birthday.
Assalamualaikum, Indonesian friend. Good evening, good morning to all. I just want to greet a happy birthday to baby Sally. More birthdays to come, and see you.
Hello everyone. Again, this is Saki, and for today's video, I would like to greet one of our friends from YouTube. Again, in behalf of my Tenda, Princess Sally, happy birthday to you, dear. I wish you all the best for you and for your family. Have a great day. Always remember that in everything that we do, we should learn how to be grateful to our Almighty God. Okay, and I wish you a happy birthday again. Thank you so much for being a good friend to me and to our White World friends. Yeah, thank you so much, and enjoy your day. God bless you. Stay humble and stay sweet as you are. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, my friend. May all wishes come true and full of happiness in your life. Ayan, I hope this is your special day. Enjoy. God bless. Ayan, again, happy birthday, my friend. God bless.
Hello, Sally. I am here today to greet you a happy 18th birthday, lovely girl. So today is a very special day because this is the day that you were born. So my wish for you is, of course, good health and, of course, a happiness and joy in the year ahead, and more success in life. Happy birthday, lovely girl. Love you.
Hello everyone, my love shout out. I just want to greet the happiest 17th birthday, baby Sally. More years to come and more birthdays to celebrate. Stay strong, stay humble, and enjoy your day. Antahan na lang kita, hindi ako
stay pretty, and that's all. Happy birthday once again. Happy birthday. Bye bye.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.